Hey, do you want to learn Python, one of the most popular programming languages in the world? My name is Jose, and I've helped tens of thousands learn programming. My courses are some of the most highly rated and beginner-friendly, and I'll help you learn by building Python projects and making use of your skills. Right now, you can check our special discount by clicking on the button below. We'll learn all the Python and programming fundamentals, object-oriented programming, working with databases and files, web scraping, and take you all the way to advanced Python. The advanced Python content includes asynchronous development, error handling, how to manage your Python projects, and even some web development with Python. I've packed this course with all the knowledge you need. There's over 27 hours of on-demand video that you can watch at any time on any device. Plus, you're protected by our 100% money-back guarantee, so there's no risk to get started. Don't wait any longer. Thousands of students are already writing Python code with my course. Click the button below for a special discount and start mastering Python. I'll see you on the inside.